Hey y'all, sorry for the weird angle, but I just decided I'm gonna do a short little vlog. Well, it might not be short. I wanted to show y'all my other sugar-free or healthy options. So, about to make pancakes. It's by Log Cabin, my favorite syrup brand, which is almost gone. So I'm using Mrs. Buttersworth. So this is an all-natural pancake mix. Never tried it, but we're about to try it, and I might show y'all me making it. And sugar-free Mrs. Butterworth. I haven't had pancakes in a while. And I'm using these Johnsonville fully cooked breakfast sausages. These are good. It is 7 grams of protein. 150 calories. Have to get the eggs. I'm making scrambled eggs with cheese. And let me get the almond milk for the pancakes now. Okay, y'all, I want to show y'all the quickest way to make a iced coffee using your Keurig. It makes hot coffee. So, first thing, get my coffee. I'm doing creamy hazelnut. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your coffee regular, how you would make it regular. The quickest way for me, this is how I do it. You'll make it regular in the cup. So I'm going to let y'all see it come down because it's relaxing. For me it is. And then I'll come back. It gets to a rocky start. So I'm going to set it up now. I'm going to put my stevia organic all-purpose blend and hazelnut creamer, sugar-free French vanilla. They didn't have sugar-free hazelnut, so it is what it is. And then I'm going to put, I'm going to mix it up, and then I'm going to show y'all how I'll transfer it to the iced coffee. I mean, yeah, y'all see. Okay, y'all, so I mixed it. So now what I do is I got my ice cup. Make sure your cup is filled up with ice. I hope I don't waste this. So I'm just going to get off camera and pour it. You just pour it in there. And then I'll show y'all how I top it. Okay, y'all. And I have my light syrup. Ran out of the light whipped cream. But whipped cream is, you know, 15 calories. So get my whipped cream. Oh, my hand is not ashy. I'm waiting for my caramel syrup to come. Did an Amazon fresh order, so y'all will be seeing that since y'all liked it. Oh, I'm making a mess. It's hard working with one hand, y'all. And get my light. Ooh, I'm making a mess because I can't really see, but that's the gist of it. And I'm telling you, it tastes better than Starbucks, Dunkin' Donut, or just as good. You do not need an iced coffee maker. You do not need what you call it, you do not need to buy the iced coffee, even though I'm going to buy some iced coffee because I want to try this iced coffee in the carton that I haven't tried, so I'm going to buy that. But you don't need any of that. Now I have to move these paper towels up because as y'all can see, I just made a mess. So yeah, I forgot to show y'all how it looked when I first made it, but the pancakes are delicious. They're on this pool time, so right now I'm draining the pool from all the rain and snow. So I don't know if y'all can see, but it's filled up almost to the top with rain. And the pool cover was on, but y'all, we had a snowy winter, I should say. So the hose is draining from here to here, but this is how my pool looks. Y'all can see. And I'm just draining it because it's time. It's 85 degrees today. And I'm trying to have it filled up by tomorrow so I can get in because it's going to be 85 to 90 tomorrow too. So yeah, this is what I'm doing now. See all that debris and dirt on top of the pool cover? I got to clean all that off. Hey y'all, so I really sucked at vlogging yesterday, so today is another day. Yesterday I was working on my pool all last night. all yesterday until last night because I didn't realize how much rainwater, snow water, and everything was in it. And it's a brand new pool. Got it last year in the summer, like the end of the summer, like towards August, September. So I'm filling it up now. I have the pool floating there so I can keep track of it filling up, because I can see my pool through my bedroom window. So once the floats start going up, I can see how filled it is. But what time is it? It is 1:03 p.m. I wonder how long it's going to take for this pool to fill up. So this is how big it is. It's very deep and big. We have like a sand, have it on sand so it'll be soft once you get in. Look at my ladder. This is the side view of it. I got it from Walmart. And y'all, I paid like $4 something for this pool with the warranty. The pool costs $1,400 now. And then I looked again. It was $1,400 like a couple days ago. Now it's $800 and something, but it's sold out. But I only paid $4 something. So if you ever want to get something like this, wait until the end of the summer. That's how it looks. And this is the sand. This is my little bar. And you have the little rocks and stuff. It's definitely going to be paradise. That's the theme of my mom's birthday party. Tropical paradise. So, pool is filling up. Once it's filled up to the filter mark, I can turn the filter on. Start putting the chlorine and everything in. But it has to fill up. It's going to take a while. Hopefully I can get in tomorrow. It's supposed to be 85 degrees tomorrow. Today is 75 and rain, so today is not a good day. So it's probably going to rain on the pool. But yeah. I'm probably going to make me something to eat. So, probably get with y'all. Oh, this is how the filter look. And we have the little cord box right there for the filter, and you know, and it's the Best Way power still pool. I had a big pool before, a round one, but nothing big like this. I never had a pool big like this. And that line, I didn't notice this line yesterday, but this is where the pool should stop at that line. I don't know if y'all can see that line right there. I did not notice that line yesterday. That's weird. It's like somebody just put it there, but I'm sure it was there. It's on each side. I didn't notice it. It's over there too. I did not notice that red line. I was looking like somebody had run on my pool. And they say the crinkles should be out the bottom. I got them out the best way I can. The best way I could, because the person that set up the pool, he didn't do a good job with the wrinkles at the bottom, but I got them out to the best of my ability. I got in and started getting them out with my feet. But yeah, that's the best they're gonna get. It's fine. So yeah, let me go upstairs and make me something to eat, because I'm not going to sit out here. If it was really nice outside, I mean, it's a cool breeze, but it's going to rain. But if it was more sun, I would sit out here. I have shorts on. I have shorts and a crop top on, and a crop jacket. It's too chilly right now for me to sit out here. I might put something else on this. Come back out once it's a quarter filled. So I'll be back. And I'm halfway asleep, because I got up at 6 something this morning thinking I was gonna come out here and do this, end up going back to sleep. So I'm actually just getting back up. So I'll be back, y'all. But look again how deep it is. I cannot wait. I'm gonna be in this pool all summer. I have like 20 floats. Y'all saw the haul with the floats, but I have more, and I went back and got a hot dog one, because I didn't see the hot dog one before. So I went back to Five Below, got the hot dog one, got another punch bowl. Not punch bowl, dispenser. So yeah, Alright, let me move this ladder and I'll be back. I'm not really hungry, so I'm having this very ripe banana and this yogurt. It's light fit Greek yogurt flavored in the flavor peach. And I have a latte I'm drinking, which is nasty. I would never get that flavor again. Well, I didn't get the flavor, but I would never drink that flavor. It's too cinnamony for me. Okay, y'all, so I'm looking from my bedroom window and it is 2 hours later. So it looks like it's going to be like 2 to 3 hours more before it's filled up, or maybe just 2 hours. What y'all think? Okay, y'all, so 3 hours later, and I have the filter on. I came back down to check it. This is where we're at now. It's almost going towards the filter. So I just turned it on now, and I put the chlorine in. I have more tablets, chlorine tablets coming tomorrow. So I'll put them in tomorrow. And I know a lot of people don't like pools because it's maintenance. You have to clean the filter every day. I don't know if you have to clean it every day if you're not using it, if you're not in it. I guess if it's dirty. And then you have to change it every 2 weeks. Those filters are high as I don't know what. I saw a sell for 3 for like 50 something, but that is high. What else? You just have to make sure you clean it every day, get all the debris. You have to make sure you get all the debris and things out, and just make sure you maintain it. And I plan to get in this pool a lot, so I'll be out here cleaning it. And they say you don't have to change the filter every 2 weeks, long as you clean it good. And I have filter cleaner, I have all that, so hopefully it'll work out good. But the filter's going, that's what that noise is. So I guess this vlog is mainly about my pool, because that's all I'm doing today. And I don't think I'm going to extend the vlog until tomorrow. I think I'm just going to edit it today and put it up. Y'all didn't see me at all, but I can flip it over so y'all can see me. Let me see. Here's me. That's me. Let me go this way. Ooh, dizzy. But that's me in the pool. So it's cool out here. So I will be getting in tomorrow. Look at this cat. He's not our cat. He's our neighbor's outside cat. So yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So it took 5 hours for the pool to fill up. What did y'all guess? How many hours did y'all think it was going to take to fill it up? So I didn't do an outro, so I'm going to do it now. I'm so sorry that this vlog is somewhat sucky, but hey. So if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see my swimming pool, my vlog, and my sugar-free, healthier option. Till next time, love you guys, y'all. Buy my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.